Hassan Tamim, 55 of 36 balls, 4 fours and 3 sixes, 5 catches. Well played, Tanzid. This game, of course, is Sheikh Mahdi Hassan, who is with the best economy rate, the Bangladesh, Dutch Bangla Bank Player of the Series, Player of... Okay. Mahdi,
Can I
if
say
you'd like to
something?
come across,
Thank you,
please.
চিটাগাংবাসী। অলওয়েজ আমি একটা কথা আগেরবার বলেছিলাম যে আমরা হয়তোবা আপনাদেরকে ওইভাবে সাপোর্ট করতে পারি নাই, জিততে পারি নাই, বাট চেষ্টা করেছি এবং আমরা সিরিজটা উইন করেছি এবার। সো আপনারা সবসময় আসবেন এবং সামনে বিপিএল, আপনারা আসলে ভালো লাগে, মাঠটা ফুলফিল থাকে এবং আমরা খেলতে অনেক মজা পাই। সবসময় সাপোর্ট করবেন। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।
Thank you very much. Best of luck. Congratulations, Bangladesh.
From skipper Liton Kumar Dash, urging Bangladesh going to seal the series 2-1 against Ireland. Bold, brave, balanced. Bangladesh closed the series on their terms. It was an outstanding effort from all the players. It's heart, hunger, handle. They carried the end with absolute command. Nerve, nuance, now. Bangladesh delivered exactly when it mattered, and they deserved it all. Outstanding performance from Bangladesh. It's the last international series for them before they go for the World Cup, upcoming T20 World Cup next year. It was a great preparation, and also the Bangladesh Premier League coming up. So the players will be looking to give their best and prepare accordingly for the mega event. Right, Ireland on the other hand will also be looking to correct their mistakes. There are a lot of positives for them, but for Bangladesh, it's a good thing that they finish things on a high. I'm sure you enjoyed the live coverage. We do. And thank you very much for all of us. Stay safe. A very good night from all of us.